In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make rows thinner in Canva Table. By the end, you'll know 2 simple ways to get cleaner, tighter rows, a precise manual method and a quick auto resize option. Start by selecting your entire table so every change applies consistently. Click the first cell, hold Shift, and click the last cell to highlight everything. If that's tricky, you can also right-click the table and use the table options to select it. With the table selected, we'll give ourselves maximum control by reducing spacing. Look at the top toolbar for the table spacing icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Open it and set both cell spacing and table spacing to 0. This doesn't change your text, it simply removes extra padding so the row height responds directly to your adjustments. Now, for the manual thinning. Hover your cursor over the bottom edge of any row. When you see the double arrow icon, click and drag upward to make that row thinner. Go slowly for precision, and consider zooming in if you want fine control. This method is great when you want different rows at different heights, like a compact header and slightly roomier body rows. If you accidentally make it too tight and your text looks cramped, drag it back down or use undo to step back. Remember, you're only adjusting the row's boundary, not the text formatting. If you prefer a faster approach, use Canva's auto resize options. With the table still selected, right-click anywhere on it. Choose Size Rows to Content to automatically shrink each row just enough to fit the text it contains. This is ideal for compact layouts where you want everything to be as tight as possible without manual tweaking. Or choose Size Rows Equally to make every row the same height. This is perfect when you want uniformity across the entire table, especially in reports or price lists where alignment matters. That's it. Thanks for watching.